Good morning, students. Myself Nikita, and I am going to teach you general knowledge this year. So, as you can see on your screen, this is your GK book of class 8th, and the name of your book is WOW, World Within Worlds. So, let's get started with chapter number 1. The name of chapter number 1 is Vivid Vertebrates. So, let's discuss what do you mean by vertebrates. So, basically, vertebrates are animals that have a backbone inside their body. The major groups include fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals. It means vertebrates are such type of animals having spinal cords and backbones in their body. Let's practice exercise questions. Question number 1. Which is the smallest living bird? So, the answer will be bee hummingbird. Yes, bee hummingbird is the smallest living bird in this planet. And also, they have no sense of smell. Question 2. Which is the largest living bird? Answer will be ostrich. Yes, ostriches are bigger than any other bird in this world. Also, ostriches have 3 stomachs. Moving forward to question 3. Which bird figures on the national flag of Mexico? It means कि Mexico के नेशनल फ्लैग पे कौन सी बर्ड का पिक्चर बना हुआ है. सो द आंसर इज ईगल. बेसिकली गोल्डन ईगल इज मेक्सिकोज नेशनल बर्ड. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज डिपिक्टेड ऑन द फ्लैग ऑफ मेक्सिको. Question 4. In which country are the flightless kakapo parrot found? So, these parrots are found in New Zealand. Also, the kakapo are also called owl parrot. They have a large grey beak and short legs, as you can also see in the image. Question 5. Which bird has the largest wingspan measuring up to 11 feet? इट मीन्स कि ऐसी कौन सी बर्ड है जिसके जो विंग्स होते हैं वो 11 फीट तक लॉन्ग होते हैं. सो द आंसर विल बी वेंडरिंग एल्बेट्रॉस. Yes, albatross has wingspan which is up to 11 feet. Also, albatross weight is about 6 to 12 kg and they can live for over 50 years. It means कि इनका जो survival period होता है वो 50 years तक होता है. Question number 6. Which bird flies the farthest during migration? इट मीन्स ऐसी कौन सी बर्ड है जो माइग्रेट करके ज़्यादा दूर का डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल कर सकती है. सो द आंसर विल बी आर्टिक टर्न. यस, आर्टिक टर्न इज द बर्ड विच कैन फ्लाई अप टू लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस. It holds the record for the largest migration of any animal in the world. Moving forward to question 7. Which bird has nostrils and the end of its beak? इट मीन्स ऐसी कौन सी बर्ड है जिसके जो नॉस्ट्रिल्स होते हैं दे आर लोकेटेड एट द एंड ऑफ द बीक. सो द आंसर इज कीवी. ऑल्सो कीवीज आर pear shaped with long legs. You can see in the picture also that it is like pear. Its shape is basically similar to the shape. Question number 8. What is the group of flamingo called? So the answer is flamboyance. Yes, flamboyance is the term which is used to describe the group of flamingo. Also, flamingo is the national bird of Bahamas. Moving forward towards the next exercise, which is related to marine vertebrates. So what is marine vertebrates? Basically, marine vertebrates are the vertebrates that live in marine environment. It means marine vertebrates are those aquatic animals which are having backbones. So let's practice it exercise questions. So question number 1. The largest ocean vertebrate is the answer is blue whale. So blue whale are the largest animals to have ever lived on this earth. Also, blue whales can grow up to 30 मीटर लॉन्ग. इट मीन्स कि जो ब्लू व्हेल्स हैं वो 30 मीटर लॉन्ग तक खुद की बॉडी को ग्रो कर सकती हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. हाइड्रोफिने इज कॉमनली नोन एज. इट मीन्स कि जो हाइड्रोफिने है हम इसको और क्या क्या टर्म्स यूज़ कर सकते हैं. सो हाइड्रोफिनेस आर ऑल्सो नोन एज सी स्नेक्स. यस, हाइड्रोफिने आर नोन एज सी स्नेक्स और वी कैन कॉल देम कोरल रीफ स्नेक्स. एंड ऑल्सो दे आर अनेबल टू मूव ऑन लैंड. इट मीन्स कि लैंड पर मूव नहीं कर सकते हैं. Question number 3. What is the name of vegetarian ocean mammal which can eat up to 40 kilos of seagrass a day? It means कि ऐसा कौन सा vegetarian ocean mammal है जो एक डे में 40 किलो seagrass eat या consume कर सकता है? So the answer is dugong. Yes, dugongs are strictly herbivorous animals, which means they eat only plants, and also they are found in freshwater areas. Moving forward to question 4. Which is a species of whale that is entirely white in color? It means whale की ऐसी कौन सी species है जिसकी पूरी body white color की होती है? So the answer is beluga. Basically, beluga comes from the Russian word which means white. That's why belugas can be recognized with its white color. Question number 5. Odobenus rosmaris, which is Latin for tooth walking seahorse, is the scientific name of. It means कि जो Odobenus rosmaris है ये कौन से एनिमल का साइंटिफिक नेम है? So the answer is walrus. Yes, it is the scientific name of walrus. So walruses have large tooth, or you can say it has large tusk, which are used to protect and fight with the other animals. It means कि जो walrus हैं ये अपने tooth को use करते हैं खुद को defense करने के लिए अपने predators से. So this is all about your exercise A and B.